Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you because of I'm purchasing couple of accessories for my Tesla. In this video we will see which accessories I'm purchasing, what is the price, where I'm purchasing this accessories and how I fix it on my Tesla Model 3. I'm purchasing this accessories from Yeslak platform. Using this platform you can purchase multiple accessories. Even which product I am purchasing, those product link is also available on the video description. This is a platform you should purchase here the all types of Tesla models accessories like Model Y, X, S and Model 3 and affordable price. If you purchase greater than $60 so you can receive free of cost shipping services entire the world. Link is available on video description. Now come to the video and which accessories I am purchasing. We will see unboxing of this video. Real mirror cap, especially on fiber real mirror cap. This product price is a little expensive. That one is $169.99 major dollar. Now we can open the box. That one is really rich and furnishing quality is amazing. Look at this here. It's of course little expensive, but your car look like very rich. Look at this, the mirror cap, it's nice. Let's go outside. So this is my Tesla. Now first of all I fix the mirror cap. So look at this, why I'm purchasing this one, because of my mirror is a little broken and how to fix it's very easy. This is our mirror cap and first of all we can fix like directly like this. So look at this, after fixing the mirror cap look is totally changed before fix. So first of all we can clean proper. I clean before fix this one. Here two side tape is already available, one side they are already fixed, so but we can remove this red one. So look at this, like this, like this. If you have good nail so it's very easy like this. And now look at this here, the double tape they are providing, we can fix properly. We clean first and then this is the portion, and first of all you can check the measure properly and then push it. So look at this, the finishing, it's amazing, and fix also proper way. But be careful, you can fix, you can try without removing the stickers and then after fix properly. Now we can go other way. So first of all I clean this one, I remove again this one. Now I will show you one of the important tricks. Simple logic. First of all you should use here the last one, this portion, and after that accordingly you should push this entire portion, and that's it, the finishing. It's perfect, fine. If you really like this unboxing as well as fix, if you want purchase Tesla car, so use my referral link is available on video description. And if you purchase this accessories, link is also available on video description, comes from Yeslak platform. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.